Hello, my dear friends. This is Govind Anchal, and you are watching my YouTube channel Anchal Sarki Class, where I bring you NCERT study materials and important questions which is asked in CG board and central board examination. In today's video, I will explain you some important questions from alcohol. So let's start today's discussion. In this video, we will discuss some important question from alcohol which is asked in CG board and central board examination. Okay, question can be asked in various ways, like first one is why phenol is acidic in nature. This question can also be asked in this way, that is phenol is more acidic than alcohol and water. Why? Explain. Another way to ask this question is give two reactions that show the acidity of phenol. Is it clear? So before solve this problem, we should have knowledge about concepts of acid and base, that is Lewis acid base concept, Arrhenius acid base concept, and Bronsted-Lowry acid base concept. If these concepts are clear, then we can easily solve this type of problem. Okay? So phenol is slightly acidic than alcohol. The acidic character of phenol is identified by the following reactions. First one is phenol turns blue litmus paper red, but alcohol do not. If we dip a blue litmus paper in phenolic solution, blue litmus paper turns red, and this is the characteristics of AC. Okay. Now next one is phenol produces H plus ion in water. So whatever the compound is, if it produces H plus ion or proton in water, it is the characteristics of AC. So look at here, this is our phenol. When this phenol is dissolved in water, it gives phenoxide ion, a conjugate base, and hydronium ion conjugate acid. So we can say that phenol is acidic in nature, because after dissociation in water, it gives H plus ion. Now next one is another characteristics of acid is that whenever it reacts with salt, it gives salt and water. Okay, the reaction is called neutralization reaction. So look at here, this phenol molecule react with base sodium hydroxide, and whenever acid and base react together, it forms salt. So this is salt, sodium phenoxide, sodium phenoxide plus H2O, water. Okay. So this is another characteristics of acid. So after reading these 3 points, we can conclude that phenol is acidic in nature. Now let us try to know the reason behind the acidity of phenol and more acidic nature of phenol than alcohol and water. Okay. So as we can see that the OH group in phenol is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. So this is our phenol. This is phenol and here OH group is attached. So this carbon atom, is more electronegative because it is sp2 hybridized. As the S character increases, the electronegativity of the carbon atom increases, and due to this the charge distribution in phenol molecule takes place. So here this carbon atom attract these electron towards itself because this carbon is more electronegative. Therefore oxygen carries positive charge like this. Takes place which cause the oxygen of OH group to be positive. As a result, the bond between OH becomes weak, which helps the release of proton. So, as the electron move towards this carbon atom, this oxygen try to attract this shared pair of electron towards itself to neutralize this positive charge, and in this way this hydrogen leaves this position and gives us H plus ion, and the molecule that gives H plus ion is Ac. Now let us see the next. Phenolic acid as shown in the resonance structure of phenol. So this is the resonance structure of phenol that stabilize the phenol molecule. Okay, so in this resonance structure we can say that the electron is delocalizing around this nucleus, and negative charge is going to develop at ortho position, para position and ortho position. But in the case of alcohol, after ionization it gives H plus ion and alkoxide ion, but this formed alkoxide ion does not stabilize by the resonance. It means there is no delocalization of electrons. Due to higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon of phenol to which OH group is attached, electron density decreases on oxygen. So this carbon atom attract this electron towards itself. It means the electron density is going to decrease here. It means there is no availability of electron to form a new bond with a H plus ion. This increases the polarity of phenol than that of alcohol. It means this is polar in nature because opposite charge has been developed due to the shifting of electron. And here, in case of alcohol, the oxygen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is alkyl group, which is electron donating, that make it less polar and more stable. So look at here, this is our alcohol. This alkyl group is electron releasing group. It increases the electron density over oxygen, that make it less polar. Due to the ability of extra electron, the polar nature of this alcohol destroyed, and it does not allow to break it down. It means it is more stable. It means it does not give H plus ion easily. Now after the release of H plus ion from phenol molecule, it gives a phenoxide ion, and the formed phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. So here we are having a data, that is pKa value, that show the acidic strength of the molecule. Lower the pKa value, higher the acidic strength. So look at here, phenoxide molecule has pKa of 10.0, while ethoxide molecule has 15.9. So the acidic strength of phenoxide will be greater than that of alcohol. Okay. Now let us examine the stability of alkoxide and phenoxide ion. So due to the resonance, that is delocalization of this electron, phenoxide ion is stabilized. Okay. So this is the stability of phenoxide ion due to the delocalization of electron or resonance. The alkoxide ion, formed after ionization is very unstable, and negative charge is localized on oxygen and available to accept H plus. Look at here, this is CH3, CH2 and O minus and H plus. Okay, there is no delocalization of this negative charge. It means electron density is available here. It means it can bind with this H plus ion and come back to its parent molecule, that is alcohol. Okay. While in the case of phenoxide ion, the negative charge is delocalized. Look at here, negative charge is delocalize. Negative charge is not only here. It is going to delocalize over this benzene ring. It means charge is not available over oxygen. If electron is not available, it means it cannot bind with H plus ion and come back to its parental molecule phenol. So the resonance or delocalization of negative charge makes phenoxide ion more stable and favors ionization of phenol. Although there is also charge delocalization in phenol, but its resonance structure have charge separation, that is positive and negative. Due to this, phenol molecule is comparatively less stable than phenoxide ion. Okay. Hello, my dear friends. This is Govind Anchal, and you are watching my YouTube channel Anchal Circuit Class, where I bring you NCERT study materials and important questions which is asked in CG board and central board examination. In today's video, I will explain you some important questions from alcohol. So let's start today's discussion.